Welcome to my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and share my videos. Yeah, this is time box. This survey sites that will pay you when you complete a survey. So I read some reviews online, so I decided to give it a trial so I can also review it. So I registered yesterday, and so far so good. I've only been able to complete a survey. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. Anytime I click on a survey, it's either survey is not available, or you're not qualified for the survey. And okay, let's click on view survey. Yeah, it's still loading. Still wait now. Okay. Now we have different surveys. And 0.007. Okay, let's click on this 0.67. Let's see if we can complete that survey. Now, this is what I'm saying. Survey is not available for you. So I don't know if it's because of my country or because of the age, or let's click on this. Let's try this. Hopefully it won't be a waste of time for me. Now we don't have survey location yet. Let's close it. Let's see. Let's research. Okay. Let's try this one. Now the only survey I've been able to complete here is their own survey. Anything else apart from that shows not available, you're not qualified, try again. Let's try this. Still loading. You're not available in your country yet. So I believe this is a total let me not say total waste of time. Now let's look at tax. Please note. Okay, let me complete this section first. So I've completed my profile. So let's just believe it's also your service is not available in Nigeria, because I basically study in Nigeria. So let's try the tax, if the tax will actually pay. So okay, so I'll try the tax, and I'll share an update on the video once I'm done with the tax. So for the survey, it's not worth it. It's not worth it at all for Nigerians. Don't know for other countries, but for Nigerians, it's not worth it because I tried most of their surveys. It's not working for me. The only survey that worked was the one timebucks created themselves. So let's try the tax. So if the tax work, then I'll make a video on that. Thank you.